You must heard a image is more than 100 words, a video more than 10 image. This is so true in digital marketing. In digital marketing, our primary and main focus to bring up the visitor into the website, get more conversion for the business. But somehow it is not possible because of lack of UI UX design. Sometimes it has some problem. Sometimes the website is getting slow. Sometimes there are many problems in websites. In this video, I will introduce a amazing tool that was made by Microsoft. So the tool name is Microsoft Clarity. You must heard that name. Microsoft Clarity is very important tool and it's very popular tool, and basically it is a heat map tracking tool, and you must glad to know that Microsoft Clarity is completely free. I have created another video about hotjar tracking. Hotjar is similar to Microsoft Clarity has same kind of functionality, but it is free for forever. It is most important to add this tool into your business. How it will help you? Microsoft Clarity will tell you where your visitor click in your website and what the activity they are doing. Yes, Google Analytics 4 it also tell you something like that, but Microsoft Clarity will tell you more detail. Microsoft Clarity is not the replacement of Google Analytics 4. Google Analytics help will another way. Microsoft Clarity will go step behind that. So this video will be very informative for you. So this is Jobair Mahmud, a data-driven digital marketing expert and web analytics expert. In this video, I will tell you about Microsoft Clarity. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So at first you have to go to the Microsoft Clarity website. You can see the free heatmap and session recording. This is the Microsoft Clarity, and you can see the pricing. There are no price. Microsoft Clarity is free forever. GDPR and CCPA ready. No sampling. Built in open source. This is actually it is free because of Microsoft will keep all the data and it will help to improve their platform. So that's why they are keeping this tool free. So it is free, no hidden charge is required. You can see the hotjar price. This is the similar tool like Microsoft Clarity. You can see that it is 0.35 recording daily session. It's very less, and you can see the plus this option, and $80 for business plus for $32 month, and scale is $171. So I think the business point of view, Microsoft Clarity will be the best choice for you. So how to we can create the Microsoft Clarity? How can we link the Microsoft Clarity with our website? This is Microsoft Clarity. You just log in and you can see the window like this. Then you have to click the new project, and after the clicking you can see the name. You can just paste you just name your business. I just keep it test work. Your website URL. This is my website URL. This is my website URL, and I just added a new project. You just create the new project. After creating the project, it will be showing the window like this. Install with tag manager, setup and install manually, need help with installation. This is for mailing the developer, so we are not doing that with Google Tag Manager. Just click the get tracking code. You can see that this is the script ID, this is the main ID. If you start clicking and your account and both account are with the same Gmail, you will connect it and you will find the Google Tag Manager and install it seamlessly. But right now my account is different Gmail, so that I can use the install manually. Just get tracking code, and here you can see this is the script. This is the main script. You just copy it and go to your Google Tag Manager. After you go into your Google Tag Manager, you will create a new tag and tag configuration. Discover more tag in community template. Here you can see search the Microsoft Clarity. Here you can find two tag template, but this is not this is the Microsoft official. You can see the Microsoft developer option, and just add it in your workspace. Just add it. After adding it, you see the Clarity project ID. Our project ID is this one, IDJUM, this one. copy it and paste it over there. After pasting, and we will add it in the all the page. After adding the all the page, we will name it Microsoft Clarity. Then save it. After save, you just submit it and publish it. If you publish it and you are going your website and just refresh it, how we test our Microsoft Clarity is working better. So just preview it and preview your Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager, go the website preview mode. Our website is loading. You can see this tag was created by me. So you can see this tag is firing, and you see this is my project ID. And after the project ID, you can see the Microsoft Clarity is installed in here. And after 24 hours, it will showing a dashboard. This is like the Microsoft Clarity demo account. You can just access from Microsoft Clarity live demo account, and you can see the total session. This is total session page per session, how many page, score depth, how many people are scrolling, how many time is spent, active time is spent. You can see the user and district user, how many people where they are visiting from, and lead click, range click. This is the interesting user segment, how many people has clicked it. And another interesting thing, you can see the recording. You can see the 24 live user. You can click it. It is just a video. Like you can. This is the PC Windows user and from the Brazil. This user has done some activity in our website, and you can see that this user is doing this. So you can see you can just order the last 7 days PC, mobile, tablet, apply. You can see the recording, all the Windows recording. And another thing is, this is the heat map record, view heat map. So you can check this. 6 user has clicked there, 9 user has clicked there. Where the most frequency was there, you can see that this is the red area, this is the yellow, this is less clickable, this area, and this is the red area. So you can see the intensity between dates, and you can see people are checking this video image. 7199 clicks, 18.91%. This is clickable. You can check this way in your website, and every business owner should add this tool into their website backend, so that they can have a detailed information about their business and improve that way. So if you are struggling with any web analytics and tracking, you can visit my website and book a meeting. So that's all for today's video. Hopefully I will be coming up with another very informative video that will help you to grow your business. So till then, take care, good banter.